Hey there, fishing enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a virtual tour of some of the most breathtaking fishing spots along the river. First up, we have the picturesque Rocky River, where you can cast your line and enjoy the serene beauty of the water flowing over the rocks. Next, we have the majestic Mississippi River, where you can test your skills against some of the largest fish in the region. Moving on, we have the calm and serene Delaware, perfect for a relaxing day of fishing. And last but not least, we have the iconic Hudson River, where you can try your hand at catching some of the most sought-after species in the area. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your gear and head to one of these amazing fishing spots for an unforgettable experience. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour. And don't forget to follow, like and share for more exciting adventures. Happy fishing!